How to send photos on Outlook. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you on how to send photos on Outlook. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. So in order to send photos on Outlook, go ahead and open up your Outlook application. And once you are logged in, you will be finding this dashboard in your screen. So in order to send pictures in your Hotmail, you can go ahead and compose a new mail for that. Just go ahead and tap on that new mail and you can select up the person you want to send your mail to in this mail address. After that, you can also write up a subject for your preferred image. And once that is done, in order to add up a picture, in this bottom, you can find a link option, the second one, this one right here. Go ahead and tap on it. And you'll be getting options from either to choose from your files, or you can also choose from your photo library. For now, I'm choosing the second option. And once done, you can just go ahead and select a picture from your device that you want to send. After that, tap on Add. And you can also reduce the image size or keep the original. I'm going to keep this original. And after that is done, it is placed. You need to choose up an email address for the person you want to send it. Go ahead and tap on Send and click on OK. Once it is sent, it may take about some seconds. Once it is sent, in order to view it, go to the send option and then go to the mail that you have sent, and when you click on the image, it will be viewed like this. So that is how you send pictures on Outlook by following up this method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.